everybody, another day down the allotment. We're just getting here, so we're gonna have some chip butties, as you can see. So, and then we're gonna start things now. This is a thingy. I have put potatoes in here, so this will need a good water and later on. That's the trouble now. This hot weather we're getting all the time, we are absolutely getting short of water, because I haven't got my water thing up, because we've got to clear that area and I'm building a new one. So hopefully it'll rain. We may get some rain this weekend. The forecast is for it, but even if it just rains for a couple of hours, it's not going to be it'll at least give this ground a good soaking. But we're enjoying a good weather while it's here, so hope everybody else is. And I'll give you a tour of what I've done later on. Yeah, we're now got a big mess down there, which we had cleared, but it's now a big mess because the shed's gone, and that's woods to be sorted out. So catch you after me dinner. Hi everybody, it's Dave here. Another day down the allotment. As you can see, we're busy putting this black stuff down. A massive piece, so Dan was cutting along. So this is what we're going to be doing. So these videos there's another couple. These videos are going over a couple of days, well, weeks, I would say. So I'm just sort of doing bits, then I'll combine it together. So I'll come back later when this is done, and I'll show you what we're doing next. So back soon. Hi everybody, this is what we've done up to now, and putting that there, we're doing an experiment to make sure it's a walkway along there. Gonna get another one of them, build it up so it's like a walkway, because that's a hell of a drop and you keep sliding on the thing. So what we're going to do now is find the guttering. We're going to put some guttering up there, down there, and put our water butt things up, so when we get rain we're going to get more water. So I'll be back and show you when that's done. Okay, this is what we've done now. There's our watering station built. Well, some of it. I'm going to build another one. Maybe it's going to move them bricks further along that way.
We've got plenty. We can put a lot under.
We can later on. Done enough. I've got planting to do, you know. So that's that done. Look at the mess over there. But some of that wood's going to be used, because I've got some of that ideas to do. So you'll see them in the future. So I may be down tomorrow. Because I've got the engineers coming out, and if I am, I think we'll concentrate on planting. So what I don't get planted today. So see you soon. Right, Dan was busy knocking noggins off decent pieces of wood. So we're sorting the wood into what we want to keep and what we want to burn. There's stuff over there, that's rubbish. Lots of posts over there. Pile here which we need to sort into different piles.
Yeah, the cute piles fit in the fire pile.
Yeah, aye. Just shows we're hoarders here. We're going through the wood and we're saying keep that, and the rubbish pile is smaller than the flipping wood pile. So breaking the noggins off this. So, but wood is very expensive nowadays, so what you can save on a shed knockdown, you save.
Everything will help.
So, right, also with I put some black over them beds because I've not used them yet. You've seen my water thing. So that's looking up the garden from the other way. So try to tidy up that a little bit, but grass is really stuck doing. So hopefully there's a polytunnel going to go there. So right, so probably be back down. Hopefully back down tomorrow and put some seedlings in. So we'll catch you then. So bye for now. Hi everyone, Dave here for DRD Allotments. Monday morning down the allotment, nice and early. Right, so what am I going to do today? I am waiting for Julian and Rob to come down in Dano, so I've just come straight from work, night shift. So right, well, potatoes are growing, so they need covering. So I'm going to give this bed a weeding around the taters. Got some soil over there, and I'm going to cover the taters. So that's one job. I've got some compost there. I'm going to weed this bed and put some compost in. And then put a row of peas in. Then next week I'll put another row. So I've got the thing in a pot. I'm going to open one of these beds up. More likely this one. And I'm going to put see what I've got to put in there and put some flowers in with it. So that's for water things done, and this still would be tidied up, and basically, oh yeah, and if Danny remembers to bring the drill down, I've got tomato plants to put up. Julian wants to pick up some rhubarb. We've got a lot of weeding to do again. There's one thing, yeah, we'll get a little bit of rain, and it just pulls the weeds out like you never know what. So I'll not rabbit on. I'll get on what I'm going to do, and I'll come back and show you. I'm waiting for a gimbal to come so that'll make my videos better. Plus it'll have a stand so I can stand the camera on. You can see we're doing work. So I'm just waiting for that to come. So catch you soon. Well, Julian and Rob are busy weeding all this. Can't see Rob because he's behind the fence somewhere, but he's there. And I'm busy setting the bed up ready for sowing. Oh, I've just had to take my jumper off. It's red hot down here. Nice cool wind, but it's warm. So I'll come back later on and show you what else we're doing. How's just an update? Okay, we've got do you know, I forgot already. Spinach in there, and then marigold plants, companion planting, and radishes in there with some marigolds. There's peas and runner beans in here, a couple of marigold plants. We've just done that tire up, and we'll just put that little pot up. And the pond's dead low. They're busy tidying the polytunnel up, sorting things out, see what we're going to keep and not. Got all this pile to move. So I need to bring some more muck down so I can get these two beds opened, because I got tons of marigolds in there. I've got 2 courgettes there and some beetroot, but the beetroot doesn't know it's doing very well. They're they're sweet tomatoes. So they're outside to harden off. Let's have a look at me peppers. There's me peppers. And we have to get some big pots, more big pots. Red hot in there. Okay, that's looking up there. So I'll come back with anything further we've done. Hi Dave here, down at the allotment again. This is what we've done today. As I say, what I've showed you. And there's the tomato plants in. So that's where we're up to now. I've got to get these 2 beds open, but I need some more soil to put in them, and then we've got the stuff growing. So there's stuff in here growing. So right, so that's the gang up there. Right, well, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and next time I'll do another video and let you know what we're up to. So bye from me.